my name is Leo. Today I want to tell you something very important. I was playing with toys and having so much fun. Uh-oh, my hands look dirty. It's snack time. I feel hungry. But should I eat with dirty hands? Dirty hands have tiny germs. Germs can make us sick. Yes, we should wash our hands. I turn on the water, use soap, and scrub, 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 scrub. My hands are clean now. They feel so good.
Great job, Leo. Clean hands keep us healthy.
Thank you. I like being healthy. So friends, should we wash hands? Yes! Before eating, after playing, every day! Clean hands keep us safe, strong, and happy.